What if your WhatsApp could do a whole lot more than just send messages? Well, a massive new update is rolling out, and it's giving the app this powerful AI brain. So today, we're going to break down exactly how this new, deeply integrated Meta AI is about to completely change your chat experience.
I mean, let's be real. We all love WhatsApp, right? But sometimes, doesn't it feel like a chore? Like a full-time job? You know what I'm talking about. The endless notifications, those completely chaotic group chats, and that feeling, that pressure to always have the perfect reply. It can be just exhausting.
Okay, so that's exactly what this new update is designed to fix. See, Meta AI isn't just some separate chatbot you talk to anymore. No. It's now this powerful assistant that's kind of woven right into the fabric of the app itself. And it's built to solve those exact frustrations we were just talking about.
All right, first up, let's tackle what's probably the biggest headache for most of us, right? The group chats. That constant, overwhelming flood of messages.
Oh, you know the feeling. You put your phone down for, what, an hour? Maybe you're having dinner, and you come back to this. It's just an impossible wall of unread messages. And yeah, FOMO's real, but let's be honest, the dread of having to scroll through all of that, that's just as real. So what if you didn't have to scroll endlessly? What if you could just get the highlights? Well, with this new AI, you can. It gives you an instant summary of all the key points, any decisions that were made, everything you missed. And using it is so simple. Seriously, you just open the chat, you see that little banner at the bottom that says how many messages you missed, you just tap that, and boom, the AI spits out this neat, bulleted summary. You get the gist of the whole conversation in like seconds. But the AI's help in group chats goes way beyond just summaries. Think about this for a second. How many times have you been trying to make plans with friends and you're jumping between WhatsApp, Google, maybe a Maps app, all just to pick a restaurant? It's a pain. Well, now you can just tag the AI right there in the group chat. You just type @MetaAI, ask your question, and it goes and finds the info and posts the answer right there for everyone. It makes planning stuff together totally seamless. Okay, so the AI is great for the practical stuff, but what about the creative side of things? Well, this is where it stops being just a tool and becomes more like your personal creative co-pilot. Get ready, because your status updates are about to get a major upgrade. The whole editor is now this creative workspace. You can use the AI to instantly restyle your photos, or you can even animate them to bring them to life before you post. And this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. You can take a totally standard photo, right? Like this beach picture, and with a single tap, you can completely change the vibe, make it look like anime, or give it this cool 3D effect. It's awesome. Okay, this next one, this is a total game changer. You know those moments when you're just staring at the screen, at a blank text box, and you have no idea how to phrase what you want to say? Well, now you can just type out a rough draft. Just get the words out. Then you highlight it, tap rewrite, and the AI gives you all these different tones. Need to sound more professional if you're a boss? Done. Want to be funnier or more supportive? You just pick the one you want. It's literally like having a writing assistant right in your pocket. And the AI isn't stopping at text. It's also totally changing video calls. We're moving way beyond just blurring your background. We're talking about something way more immersive. And honestly, it's kind of futuristic. Yeah, forget that standard blur. We're talking about fully realized, dynamic scenes that are created on the fly. The AI uses generative tech to literally build entire 3D environments around you while you're on a call. And it's so easy. While you're on the call, you just type a prompt into the effects menu. You could describe something just like this, and the AI generates that whole world around you in real time. It's wild. But here's the really cool part, the little detail that makes it all work. The AI doesn't just create the background. It analyzes it, and then it adjusts the lighting on your face to match the scene. That's what makes it look so believable, and not like some cheesy green screen effect. Okay, so with all this amazing power, there's obviously a huge question we have to ask. What about our privacy? You know, is our data safe? The short answer? Yes, your data is safe. Meta's been really clear that they built all of this with privacy at the very center. All your personal messages, your photos, your calls, they're still protected by the same end-to-end encryption that's always been there. So how does that actually work? Well, the most important thing to get is that the AI is not just reading all your chats all the time. It only sees a message when you specifically tag it, with @MetaAI. And for the summaries, it only processes those unread messages when you physically tap the button to ask it to.
Your one-on-one and your group chats, they stay private.
So when you look at all of this, it's way more than just a bunch of cool new features, right? It's really a fundamental shift in how we might interact. It's not just human to human anymore. Which leaves us with a really interesting question to think about. With a powerful AI right there in our chats, acting as a co-pilot, how is that going to change the very nature of how we connect with each other?